What if I told you the difference between success and failure in crypto is just your portfolio setup? This isn't about chasing the next meme coin, it's about building something that lasts. Let me show you the blueprint. Most new investors do it completely wrong, and they don't realize it until it's too late. When you're just starting out with crypto, you need more than hype, you need structure. And one of the smartest ways to start is the 60-20-15-5 rule. 60% of your portfolio goes into Bitcoin. Why? Because Bitcoin is still the foundation of this entire space. It's decentralized, limited in supply, and battle-tested through multiple cycles. If you want long-term security, this is your anchor. 20% goes into Ethereum, the backbone of Web3. Ethereum isn't just a cryptocurrency. It's a programmable platform powering everything from DeFi to NFTs. With staking, institutional demand, and a constantly evolving roadmap, ETH gives you exposure to real innovation. 15% is your opportunity zone, selected altcoins with real utility. That could be projects like Chainlink, Sui, or other ecosystems solving actual problems. These carry more risk, but also more upside, if chosen wisely. And the final 5%? That's your gamble bag. Memecoins, Dagon plays, moonshots. Coins that could go 10x overnight, or crash just as fast. This small allocation satisfies your risk appetite without putting your core at risk. But even if your setup is perfect, most beginners fail at this next step. Let's say your altcoin suddenly pumps 80%. What do most people do? They sell everything in one move. And then, boom, the price doubles again. Regret kicks in. That's why experienced investors use a strategy called laddering out. Instead of selling your full position at once, you take profits in stages. Maybe 25% now. Another 25% if the coin climbs further. This way, you secure gains while staying in the game, and if it runs even higher, you're not left behind. It's about balance. Take enough profit to feel safe. Leave enough in to benefit from the trend. Still think it's all about which coin you pick? Think again. The real winners plan their exit before they even enter. Let me ask you something, do you have an exit strategy? Most beginners don't, and that's dangerous. Because when the market gets volatile, emotion takes over. You panic when prices drop. Or worse, you get greedy when they soar. Instead, decide now how you'll act in different scenarios. For example, if a coin does a 3x, maybe you take 30% off the table. Or you rotate part of your gains into Bitcoin. Or you hold through, but only until a set target. The point is, you're not reacting, you're following a plan. And that plan keeps you grounded, even when the market goes wild. But there's one more thing that kills more portfolios than bad picks. We've all seen it. The market dips, Twitter screams it's over, and thousands panic sell at the bottom. Why? Because they're emotionally invested, not strategically invested. A bulletproof portfolio isn't just about numbers. It's about discipline. You've got to trust your setup. Stick to your structure. And remember, short-term noise doesn't change long-term conviction. Zoom out. Zoom way out. And you'll see that most of the pain comes from decisions made in panic. So here's what smart beginners do, the moves that separate winners from the rest. They diversify wisely, not randomly. That means building around Bitcoin and Ethereum, not gambling on hype alone. They dollar cost average, investing bit by bit, instead of going all in at once. They take profits strategically, not emotionally, using exit levels, not gut feelings. They have a plan before they invest, knowing exactly when they'll exit, rotate, or hold. They rebalance regularly, especially in bull markets, when positions grow fast and risk gets out of whack. And most importantly, they only invest what they can afford to lose. No borrowed money. No life savings. This is how you stay in the game, and thrive across cycles. So let me ask you. How's your portfolio looking right now? Are you building for the long game, or gambling without a plan? Drop your setup in the comments, I'd love to see what you're working with. And if this helped open your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Every single day, we level up. Together.